where you live.
We'll have archived weather records, the rain and the snow. Now back to the Civil War era here in Greater Lafayette. And these are the driest Septembers since 1864. And if we look back, you can see where we are right now. We've had 500s officially at the observation site that we use for Greater Lafayette. That's the Purdue Airport. But if we look at the driest one, it's 1953. Not a drop of rainfall in the month of September in 53, and then it goes down through 79, 1867, and 1869. Interesting fact, 1979 and 1869 had very wet, cool summers. And then in September, the rain just all of a sudden shut off. But 1953 and 1897, those were big drought years in our area, and we actually had quite a few wildfires around back in 1897. But we're gonna add to that 500. So we've got a decent shot of getting some rainfall in here by Sunday and into Monday. But it's certainly a dry day today. But here's that little cold front that's falling apart to our west. Will just barely skim by us. It will do nothing but bring an isolated shower in the morning and then perhaps a couple isolated storms Friday evening. This is the system that has a better chance of bringing us some decent rainfall Sunday into Monday. It's now in California, and the moisture is pooling in South Texas and migrating northward. That will help to feed it and bring us the showers and storms. Tomorrow, again, maybe an isolated shower in the morning, but it's a hot day that may brew an isolated storm or two late in the day. 91 for the high, and you will notice it being just a little bit more humid, and certainly the morning will be warmer at 63. The high is 87 to 92, but with the higher humidity, it's going to feel like about 89 to 95. So for the frenzy, it's a humid one, it's a very warm one, and there may be an isolated storm or two around. Only about 20, maybe 15% coverage though. 86 kickoff, and it's a 76 temperature at the time the games come to an end. Then watch for some dense fog late Friday night and Saturday morning, especially Lafayette and northeastward. Some visibilities will drop to less than a half a mile. Then it's mostly sunny and hot in the afternoon with a west breeze, lower humidity. Look at those highs at 88 to 94 degrees on Saturday, near record warm levels. The record, I believe, is 94. All right, here we go tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Partly cloudy, maybe a small isolated shower mid-morning. And then after that, partly cloudy into the afternoon, but watch the evening here. Maybe a very small isolated storm or two. There's all the fog around represented right here on Saturday morning. And that all burns off. It's a hot, sunny afternoon. And then we watch Sunday, because Sunday morning, some scattered showers and storms will be migrating eastward. This is Saturday night, but this is Sunday morning. Some of these scattered shower storms on the move to the east. So these come through, then a break, and perhaps a few more Sunday night. Then on Monday, another round. And I can't even rule out an isolated severe storm or two on Monday with humid to muggy highs in the low 80s. I did cut the numbers a little bit Wednesday, Thursday. It looks like a little cooler air mass coming in, so this is pretty nice weather. High 75 to 80, lows down into the 50s. We warm a little bit at the end of next week with a couple showers and storms, and then we cool back down into the